Good morning everyone, come with me to warm up the Hurco CNC machine ready for the day's action. So first we will undo the emergency stop, hit the manual button. It says control power is off, so we've got to turn the control power on and then cycle start. And then the second thing is we go to manual function setup, turn the light on, exit that, and then we go to calibrate. We will calibrate the machine. It's in progress now. So the bed is now moving to its home positions to calibrate the axes on the Y and the X axis. So as you see, it's going over to the corner. And then once it's done that, it will put the tool holder into its home position as well. So the tool holder is already in its home position. So the next step is we come back to the controls. We hit the manual button. We go up to warm up. Press start cycle to warm up the machine. And there it is, calibrating and warming up a CNC Hurco machine to start the day. Now we'll let that warm up. Warm up normally takes about 20 minutes. And then once that's done, we're all ready for the machining process and what the day will bring. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, drop a comment down below, and catch you in the next one, guys.